Jacobs explains the gravitational constant at atomic level is G atomic and is different from the solar system and F gravitational constant G of solar and F. Jacobs illustrated this with numbers included in his findings that he has been working on for months. The finding, he further says, is of great significance to the scientific world, which will provoke additional scientific research. His findings, he says, follows groundbreaking works of likes such as Albert Einstein. With the findings and other research work, this should be able to reduce the gaps in the quest for unification of the four fundamental forces of nature, being the strong and weak nuclear forces and gravity.
What we have been doing for all of these years is that we have assumed that the universal gravitation, or that gravitational constant of attraction in the system is universal. And what we have done as a result is we have imposed that constant on the orbital motion of electrons around an atom. And as a result, there was a disconnect between the prediction of interactions and motion at atomic level and at planetary and large matter level. As a world, we have been basically having a wrong hypothesis or incorrect hypothesis that to say that that gravitational constant is applicable at atomic level. And that's why we could have a disconnect.
Dr. Natangwe Shafuda, a lecturer of physics, chemistry and material science at the University of Namibia, says he has seen the findings by Jacobs and they are reviewing it at the science department. However, he says from what he has seen, this could be a groundbreaking discovery in the science world, as the unification of the two theories that were not sticking to each other can finally unify.
We have two theories, the classical theory and the quantum theory. Of course, gravitational force fails at atomic level, and what Mr. Jacob is trying to say is that, well, his new finding will allow us to use gravitational force at atomic level. So it's a very, very interesting finding, and I think from our point of view, we need to review it and look at it and see that the mathematics is correct and on point.
The findings are included in a lengthy document with scientific numbers and tables, which Jacob says is ready to present. Selima Henok, NBC News, Windhoek.